Hello friends, on a little lunch break here, taking in this nice beautiful day overseas, and yeah, I just got a little inspired to make a quick video here as an actor, to other actors, or anybody in life really, about gratitude. I'm filming Sniper 10 for Sony Pictures, 7th movie I've been blessed to be a part of. It's a lot of fun. These movies have taken me all around the world. Very, very grateful to play Brandon Beckett. There's the trailer door, Brandon sign, so I know where to go to change my pants. If they don't put signs up, I'm lost. I'm an actor. What do you want from me? But anyway, gratitude. I had a little bit of time yesterday, and this is a practice that really, changed my life for the better, changed my career for the better. Any of the experts will tell you that having a gratitude practice is going to improve your life across the board. So one of the best times to double down on the gratitude practice, at least for me, is when I'm on set. Actors work so hard, they get 99% no's. When you're fortunate enough to book a role, get on a set, it's a unique experience, and it's a gift. So I think the gratitude practice is even more important when you're actually there living it. Doing what you are meant to be doing, following your bliss, all that Joseph Campbell stuff. So, milking it. I've heard it expressed as milking it. If you're into spirituality, law of attraction, things like this, be present, be aware. Think of all the things that you're grateful for, that you're currently experiencing right now. Really lean into that gratitude, that appreciation for it, and carry that with you, because that sets new bars for your expectations. Really helps you stay in a really happy, grateful place, which just makes you an all-around more pleasant person. So I took some time yesterday, and of course there's a beeping vehicle here as I'm trying to record a video. So thanks for that. Anyway, base camp, it's busy around here. But I took 15-20 minutes yesterday. I just got pen to paper, old school, and just wrote all the things I appreciate about this particular film, the set, this experience, the people, the actors. So many things to be incredibly grateful for in terms of not just this project, but every project that I'm a part of. And I really try to ground that in my brains so that in between the jobs, it's that much easier to revisit that place. Hopefully you're kind of becoming a lightning rod for helping the next one come along easier, and gratitude kind of has that magical effect. So anyway, just wanted to kind of put this message out there as I selfie cam operator this little short YouTube video. But actors out there, if you haven't already, get a gratitude practice going, especially for your career, because I think it just keeps the door open and invites even more good stuff to flow in. It's a tough industry. Jobs are hard to come by. Things can feel really scarce. You can really develop a lack mentality. What you really want to be doing is developing that excitement, that success mentality, that abundance mentality to keep this stuff rolling in. So I think gratitude practice really is instrumental for helping you stay in that high place, that high vibration, if you will. So actors, I encourage you, next time you're lucky enough to get on a set, appreciate every part of the process. Make those lists of things that are working out for you. Again, you've got amazing castmates, you've got incredible, talented crew, you've got, casting, your agents, your teams, your reps, what it's like to pop in a trailer every day, go to the hair and makeup station and have people put a bunch of fancy spit polish on you to make you look better than what you normally do. I mean, I know you're all beautiful and you don't need that stuff, but I do. I need it real bad. So I'm very grateful for the haircuts, the styling, the makeup, all the amazing crew that puts together the lighting to flatter you, wardrobe department, customizing outfits tailored to you. I mean, who gets that? You don't get that off the rack at the mall. So, you know, and it goes on and on and on. You know, once you start rolling with these lists, things will just keep coming to you. This is how it works. You find a few things to be grateful for, and next thing you know, you're just filling up the pages. And I think that's really important as an actor. And trust me, if you have an attitude of gratitude and appreciation is the name of your game, it will radiate off of you, and everyone will pick up on that. It'll make you quite popular on set, and I think in life. So, you know, it's a win-win situation here. So actors, milk those experiences. When you get those elusive unicorn yeses, really, really, really lean into it hard. Make your lists, practice your gratitude every single day. You know, live in that place, and hopefully invite the next one sooner rather than later by putting this good stuff to work for you. So anyway, hope y'all are well. Thanks for bearing with me on the steady selfie cam thing here, but I thought it was just something that I wanted to share that's worked out for me in my career, and hopefully it can serve you all well too. So anyway, good luck, happy bookings, enjoy your times on set, and write it down.